In this video, I want to talk about how you can do a return on Temu. Now, for this to work, you can either use the app or you can open up the website, and then what you want to do is you want to hover your name, head over to your orders, and inside of your orders, you should be able to see every order that you've had. Then you simply want to find the one that you want to return, and keep in mind you need to have received it first before you can return it. And then what you want to do is just select the one you want to return, and once you've selected it, there will be a refund/return button. Click on return, and then you have to follow the steps. Now, to return items, there needs to be some requirements, and you can just check them out when you go do the return. So there's a few requirements, and when you click on return, it will show you everything and also how you can do the return. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.